and they are against each other. So when you pull, you kind of pull it towards, and that's you get the friction. Yeah, that's you get the grip.
This year it was great. We had a really good team, very interesting task they need to solve, and so the interaction and the team spirit was really good from the beginning, from the kickoff until now with the presentation, and yeah, almost done with our stuff today. They all seem to be happy, and I'm happy as well. My boss is happy, so nothing to add. Yeah, I guess you need to create it a little bit more open, to open up the result space, and that they can come up with crazy stuff like we see here. Otherwise, if you narrow it down too much, then I guess it's not really necessary to do design thinking on a very specific task. So in our case, these broad tasks, yeah, it's interesting to see what they come up with after 9 months. We have some good presentation material, so what I really like is the virtual reality experience you can have. So that is definitely something everybody then can experience within our company. Just you have to have these Google Cardboards, and then you can at least get a little bit of the feeling how it would like to be to wear such a helmet. And on the other side, that is my part then, taking over the results, bringing it into projects, running stuff, where we already see, okay, some parts of the concept could be applied to a project we are already running. The collaboration with Stanford and then also with BTH, it's really, really great, because there we have a set of, let me say, unspoiled, interested young engineer students, and they are eager to do stuff, eager to learn, and it's a great environment to work on and to work in, and so it's great to be here and great to run the project as a cooperation project.
Supervisor running the show this year. What do you think about the outcome?
I think it's a really good outcome, I think. It's been a really interesting process. It's been coming together quite nicely in the end. I think the learning and sort of the holistic perspective and the impact seems very promising. Also, I think team has been performing very well. So I think we've had challenges before in different years, but this time they've really made an effort to work together in a good way, and even though the distances are long, many hours of difference, it's still working out very nice.
And if you look at this as a learning experience for students, what's your kind of reflection on that?
I think generally it's a really good experience for students to have experienced working in global teams. I think working in projects with sponsors that are extremely motivated and supporting the teams usually is a good one, a good situation to be in. They get to follow through, go the whole distance to a final product that has to work, and they have to show it here at EXPE, and there's no excuses basically, so you have to actually be persistent.
And typically we talk about these as being ill-defined problems, where a corporate sponsor is putting out a prompt or a problem which is kind of open-ended, and you're supposed to coach this. So what challenges does this put on you as a teacher?
I think the main challenge is to actually stay away, in a sense, that you have to trust the process, you have to get the students to trust the process, but then you have to also have them to be a little bit uncomfortable at senses at some points. So sometimes it's going to be frustrating for the students, but they have to live with that, and they have to sort of follow through on those kind of things.